Hello and welcome back to Lexoween. So in today's video I'm going to be doing Billy the puppet from Jigsaw. Today's video does have some special effects makeup to it. I have these two things made. They go on my cheeks to, puff out my cheekbones for Billy's cheeks. I'm also going to be doing it for my eyebrows and my chin. So I'm elongating my chin and giving it a little butt chin kind of look. And then I'm making my eyebrows come out more, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to be doing all the special effects makeup first. So for the special effects makeup, all you need is some liquid latex, something to smear the latex on, and then some tissue. You can also use Elmer's glue, but because I do have liquid latex, I'm going to be using this. First, what I'm going to do is glue these down. So let me get my tool go. I'm using the sponge tool. I'm going to do the eyebrows next. So what I'm going to do is take some glue. A glue stick would work a lot better, but I don't have a glue stick. Put it in my eyebrow. Also use this spoolie to brush through the brows so that the glue is distributed evenly. Take some strips of the tissue. It's kind of like paper mache. Just put that on your eyebrow. I'm going to do 2 layers of glue with the tissue. Get some more liquid latex. Going to keep layering it until it is the desired layer that you want. Okay, there's the eyebrows. Time for the chin. So literally doing the same thing. Like a little close up. It's not done. We still need shadowing and face paint and all that. But I'll see you guys when this is all dry. Now I'm adding the white everywhere. And when I mean everywhere, I mean everywhere. This cream makeup by Ruby's. A really fluffy brush and take some black eyeshadow, not a lot, and I'm also going to be mixing it with some of this gray, and we're going to be making shadows. And then we're also going to be doing the nose. His nose is really elongated and is triangular shape where the nostrils are. Now what we're going to do is grab a flat brush, get some black, and fill in where the eyes are. Black cream makeup for this. I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and set it. You draw the lines like right here up. Flat brush. L'Oreal Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss in the shade Red Fatal 320. Smear that on my lips. I look scary. I'm going to draw the spiral. I'm going to be adding some more gray like around where like I would contour if I had normal makeup on, just so it gives the look a little bit of depth and like definition and shading. Literally with Halloween makeup looks, especially looks like this with special effects, you have to make sure you have good shading, because the shading is literally the #1 part to be making your makeup look good. I'm going to take some fake blood. I'm going to redraw the spirals. All I need to do now is do the body. You draw the outline of it real quick with an eyeliner pencil. So my camera ended up dying once again. I don't know what's up with that battery, but it continues to die and die and die. But basically what I did, I took this. It has black, white, and red. And I drew Billy's like suit on me. I'll put pictures. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. I upload every single Sunday and Wednesday at 2:35 Mountain Standard Time, so make sure the bell is turned on. Follow my TikToks. My main is Queen Alexia _YTT, and my beauty TikTok is Queen Beauty _YT. So make sure you go follow that, especially my beauty TikTok, because I am doing 31 days of Halloween this year. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.